Weight loss needs regularity and consistency. Here are few early morning rituals that may help to shed extra fat. Weight loss can be different for different people. In order to lose weight, start your day with warm lemon water. Morning workout will help you energize for the day. Practice meditation and yoga to help relax mind and body. Have a breakfast rich in protein so that it keeps you full for a long time. Make a meal plan and have the healthy snacks for the day. Have a proper sleep and try to wake up early so that have more time for the remaining day. Keep your water bottles close and stay hydrated for the day.